How to fix direct message option not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the direct message option is not showing up on your TikTok account. So without further ado, let's get started. And alright, as you can see, I can see my direct message option in my TikTok account. But if you don't see it in your TikTok account, how do you fix it? Now, let me walk you through the steps. So first, go back to your home screen and open your App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok and check if there is any update available. And if there is, make sure to update the app to the latest version. And if the updating doesn't work, the next step is to clear the app's temporary file. For iPhone users, you can offload the TikTok app by going to the settings, and once you have opened the settings, you can simply tap on General. And here you can simply select iPhone storage. And in this section, you can simply scroll down and search for TikTok. And once you have found that, simply tap on it. And in this section, you can see the option labeled Offload App. Simply tap on that. And after tapping on that, again simply tap on Offload App. And after doing this, reopen TikTok and check if the problem is resolved. But if the issue still persists, here is the another method. Now open the TikTok, and once you have opened the TikTok, simply go to your profile. And once you are in your profile, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, you can simply tap on Settings and Privacy. And from there, simply tap on Privacy. And from there, you can simply scroll down and tap on Report or Problem. And now, you can simply scroll down and tap on Report. And a drop-down menu will appear. From there, simply tap on How to Report. Now, you can tap on Report Direct Messages. And from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on No. And after that, you can simply tap on Need More Help. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you can basically type a message explaining the problem. And you can also attach the screenshot of a problem. And after reporting the problem, you can simply tap on the send button and your report will be sent to the TikTok support team, and they should get back to you soon, and hopefully they will enable the feature for your account after reviewing your request. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you out to fix the issue with the direct message option on TikTok. If it did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.